Now I explain there are IIRS outreach program. There are guidelines for participants, and in my first video there are how to apply IIRS outreach program, and this video there will be guideline for participants. The Government of India, Department of Space, Indian Space Research Organization, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun. There are the Geospatial Technology and Outreach Program Group, and their notice guideline to join online course through IIRS ISRO e-class platform. There are first step 1, first the registered for the course. I'll give their link in my video description, and please provide your details and very carefully, especially your email ID and mobile number, and you will receive one registration number on successful submission of your application as web page display and email message. Step 2, active your account by clicking on given link in your email. Once account is activated and email is verified, your application will be available for selection process to institute or course coordinator or director. Step 3, the course coordinator and director will review your application and verify the submitted documents and approve or reject your application. And next step 4, all the approved participants will receive an approved mail with their login candidate of IIRS e-class platform and examination portal. Single user name and password will work for both the portal. There are the case 1, if login are received with approval email, please visit in this link. And case 2, if you have not received any approved email, then please check status of your applicant at and this link. Both are link I will describe. There are my description of video, must will there click. And if your status is approved, then reset your password by clicking on link provided in above web page through URL. And next, sometime case 3, if you have already participated in any earlier online course of IIRS ISRO, then your old login credential will be valid for this course also. No new login credentials will be provided. However, you can reset your password by clicking on forget password, available in e-class portal. And there are case 4, if student their status of your applicants is not approved, then you are considered it as the learner. Please watch live session through this YouTube link. There are step 5, all the approved participants has to log in at IIRS e-class platform and with his credential during live session for course schedule and content. Please visit. There are the update news www.irs.gov.in eduset news. The daily course schedule will be available in e-class also. Step 6, their course delivery. There are the some procedure of attendance recording. The e-class platform will automatically record the attendance of participant based on his or logging during session and presence during the session. Typically, the attendance is marked as present after 50% duration of total session time. For example, if total duration of a session is 60 minutes, then the attendance will be marked as present after 30 minutes of active logging. If due to some technical problem or other reason participant is unable to continue the session, then he has to watch the same session through offline mode available under e-classes logging. The time of offline session will be record update automatically. The coordinators of networked institution are also allowed to upload the attendance of an individual participant through their e-class CMS logging. If by any reason attendance of a participant is not being recorded update in e-class, then he can ask his coordinator to upload their attendance for particular course. And next, they are very important for study material. All the study materials such as presentation content, suggested links and recorded video session will be available under e-class logging. Interactive e-learning या mock content will be available under IIRS e-learning portal. Where participant has to log in by using same login credential of e-class. There are note down. Please click on participant login button and before proceeding further in e-learning portal. And next, very important, the status of attendance. Status of course wise attendance will be available under e-class logging with eligible for examination. And feedback of the course, all the participants have to submit feedback of individual course through e-classes after successful logging to e-class. The feedback link will be available for each course. And online examination must will listen carefully. Their online examination, all the participants who are meeting the minimum attendance criteria will be allowed for online examination. The examination will be conducted through this link. The date and time of examination will be intimate with 2 weeks of course completion. The multiple choice question, MCQ and true and false statement based question will be asking during online question and examination. The random question will be displayed to the participant from available question bank in IIRS e-class platform. The minimum passing score will be announced for each course separately. All the successful participants in examination will be eligible for course certificate. There are very important the issue of certificate IIRS integrated program. The certificate will be issued within 2 to 3 weeks of online examination. The certificate will be available through coordinator of network institution application. The certificate will also be available under e-classes logging of race participant. There are the certificate validation. All the certificate of IIRS ISRO online course can be validated through direct scanning of QR code. Available certificate through this link. And there are technical support for any further technically problem and support. Please contact their office, telephone number and their email ID. Email ID I will provide my video description. And thank you. Must will watching my another video and subscribe my channel and also share. Thank you.